ladies and gentlemen, my name is Destiny and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the top 2 most in-demand programming languages in the world right now, and hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, do make sure to drop a like and consider subscribing, and also you can share this video to anybody that you think might find it useful. So without wasting any more time, let's just go ahead and get started. Programmers and software engineers have been in high demand for decades, but the industry's talent shortage has become more pronounced as almost every major business on earth becomes a technology company in one way or the other. Most major companies want to build an app, but they are also delving into other areas that requires programming expertise. Many are building their own automated customer support system, user interfaces, and proprietary software, and a whole lot of things. But according to reports by Forrester, companies paid about 20% more for in-demand tech talent in 2018. There will also be an abundance of computing jobs through 2022 and a shortage of degrees award in the computing industry. And according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, there could be as many as 3 times more computing jobs available by 2022 than there are graduates with applicable bachelor's degree. And in order to fill the skill gap, more and more companies will choose to forgo full salary position and hire freelance developers. Some in the industry have cited that there are in fact plenty of programmers and freelance software developers out there ready to work, like waiting for the work. The issue isn't as much about quantity as it is about competency and niche. Not every programmer knows the most in-demand programming language. Whether you are a freelancer web developer, a freelance web designer, a seasoned software developer, or you just created your first basic smartphone application, and if you're trying to find like hottest freelance programming gigs in 2019, the 2 most in-demand programming languages for 2020 are Python and Java. Python is one of the most oldest and most widely used programming languages in the world, as it's one of the most popular languages for teaching programming in the first place. You may already be intimately familiar with Python, or at least somewhat familiar. If not, it's an essential language that you need to add to your CV. Google, YouTube, Instagram, Quora, and many more of the world's most popular application uses Python. Not only it's a versatile language, but it's really easy to learn, read, and work in. It's a great language for novice programmers to learn so that they can get a marketable skills quickly and start earning right out of the gate. So Python is widely used for web development, data science, data visualization, machine learning, desktop application, mobile application, and teaching. Now the second one is Java. Like Python, Java has been around for decades and has certainly stood the test of time. As the second most popular programming languages after C, Java provides one of the best routes to making a living as a programmer. 90% of Fortune 500 companies use Java as a server-side language for their back-end development. Java is a general-purpose, high-level programming language, and as such, it can be used in a surprising number of applications. Businesses, schools, and let's say laboratories all use Java, and it can be found in many other programs and apps each day. And apart from businesses or schools, you can see things like banking systems and hospitals. Yeah, all these sectors use Java. Now, you might be like, wait, where is Java most widely used in? Now, you can see Java in desktop applications, business applications, web-based, cloud-based, mobile, digital, device, gaming and animation, scientific research, banking systems, and a whole lot of that. Java is in high demand, and plenty of businesses are looking on freelance websites or platforms to hire talent in Java. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this short video and learned something new. So if you're looking to transition to another stack or another programming language, then I recommend you try looking into Python or Java. That's if you're not a Python or Java programmer already. So I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Do make sure to drop a like, consider subscribing, and you can share this video to someone that might find it useful. So I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, mad love, peace out.